सकाळी 11:30 मेरेन मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार गोंयांत पावलो. प्रायव्हेट फ्लायटीन तो दाबोळें देंवलो आनी INS हंसाच्या गेटींतल्यान भायर सरलो. तो थेट आपल्या घरा गेलो. थंय कांय वेळ थारोवन 2 म्हळ्यार तो विधानसभेन वचपाक भायर सरलो. विधानसभेन तांकां येवकार दिवंक आमदार, मंत्री आनी कांय ऑफिसरूय आशिल्ले. बरोच पोलीस फोर्सूय घाल्लो. पर्रीकाराक गाडयेंतल्यान देंवन चलत भितर सरता तें पळोवंक लाखांनी लोक प्रुडंटाचेर लायव्ह ट्यून जाल्ले. ताणें कॅबिनेट घेतली आनी मागीर 2018-19 संक्षिप्त अर्थसंकल्पय मांडलो.
Speaker sir, with all humility and with the support, prayers and well wishes of not only honorable members of this house, but lakhs of my Goan brothers and sisters, including leaders of various communities, religion, I stand before you in this august house with a renewed strength and confidence to present the annual financial statement for the year 2018-19.
It is the most positive thing that has happened in the present circumstances. A very strong signal has emanated that the government is strong, our leader has strong. In fact, he has emerged as a superman. So you don't have to worry about the political situation, about the government functioning, what is to come in the future. Maybe we will miss him for a very little short time, his dynamism, but it will again be there for the asking as soon as he is totally recovers. And he is on the road to recovery, and by being present he has given the strongest signal in that direction.
Very detailed shortcut on sympathetic ground. Should not say Salman has come prevent Kalam and obviously it is a part that all the parties, the leadership of the are dependent, and what had happened is suddenly happened. It's an incident, so you cannot expect that level.
Budget पेश कोणी केला मनोहर पर्रीकर means 100% of success budget आणि दाब नदी.
We are all happy to have him here. At the same time, we shouldn't have taken this since he needs to be totally, taken care of any infection, whatever. But he is responding well. Treatment has been here on the way for the love of people, love of Goa, and we are hopeful and praying to God that his health will improve and will be back, as Honorable CM Parrikar said.
Actually, Assembly फावटी 1 महिन्याची आसलेली. आमचे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर थोड्याशा हेल्थाच्या कारणाक लागून नसल्या कारणान तांकां ते प्रेजेंट करपाक थोडोसो कमी वेळ लागला आसतलो, पण मिनिमम टायमान जरी 6 मिनिटाची स्पीच आसली तरी मॅक्झिमम इम्पॉर्टंट विशय आहा ह्या विशयाचेर कवर करपाक तांच्यांनी प्रयत्न केला.
But he shouldn't strain himself, because after all, life is more important than anything else. And we need a person like him who is well educated. And I wish him well. I wished him well before the speaker came.
Talking about determination, I appreciate determination about the This is just like a simple ulelado. And they are magtan, they are very bolagi. Jawan they sargo and kode patarto strong.
ना बरं झालं आम्ही मागलेले देव तो बरं जावचं म्हणून सगळ्यांनी म्हणटरीच ते प्रश्न तो येयलो त्याने मांडले तो गेलो.
Mr. Parrikar's entry was with a bang, and people are all amazed and are also relieved by seeing him in not the way that he was portrayed to be. So I think that is it's very nice. एक म्हणल्यार गोंयच्या लोकांक अभिमान आसपाक जाय की असलो मुख्यमंत्री आमचे कडेन आहा.
हांवें बजेट वाचूंक ना, हांव फक्त पर्रीकर बाबाक पळयला. सो बजेट आतां घरा वचून पळयतलो. सीन हाव ही हॅज गॉन थ्रू हीज 5 days and could realize
the pain he has been into. A person who never understood medical terms. And today when he was in hospital for all his days, I didn't meet him that way, but when he was sitting there, I could find him telling Sudhin that I was poked and I felt that, that emotional thing. And I feel God should not give such things to anybody. But however, it's destiny of God. I only hope that he recovers very fast. That is very important.
I am very happy that the Chief Minister is back in the Assembly, and especially on the day of
the budget presentation.
I hope and pray for his speedy recovery.
सीएम परत हावजा येयले हें पळोवन बरें दिसलें. म्हणजे आमी सुरवाती साकून मागप की बरें जावचें आनी हावजा येवचें, आनी आज हावजाक ते बजेट प्रेजेंट करपा खातीर येयले. खरेंच पळोवन बरें दिसलें की ते आमचे मदीं परत येयले म्हणून. आनीकय हांव देवा कडेन मागता की सामकें बरें जावचें तें आनी पयलीं भशेन कामाक लागचें.
सादूरकाय म्हूण दोतोरांनी ताका कांय गजाली निश्चित केल्यात. मात मुख्यमंत्री म्हूण भार सांबाळटलो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्र्यान स्पश्ट केला. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.